What's going on? What's going on, everybody? It looks like we're not gonna have any music today, sadly. My music is on some dumb shit. I'm gonna try one more thing real quick, and if this doesn't work, then I don't even know, bro. Alright, yeah, the music's not working, guys. It is what it fucking is. I don't fucking know. I give up trying to fix that shit. And my Zoom audio isn't working. Yeah, today's being very annoying. Shit is annoying me right now, bro. Very annoying. And Price is about to take off without me. Jesus Christ, bro. There, it should be working now. Jesus. Is it even recording? Nah. Jesus. Alright, I got it now. Alright. Well, it looks like Price is about to take off without us, but without further ado, let's just start marking this up. So we're going to mark up the previous day's high, the previous day's low. Boom. Boom. We're going to get the previous day Asian session range. So from 18 o'clock all the way to midnight, that is going to be our Asian session range. Move this over. Boom. Now we're going to get the 12 a.m. open, which is going to be right here. So as of right now, the first thing I'm realizing is price ran below, cleared these Asian session lows. And if you pull a fib from this previous day's low to the previous day high up here, you can see that price has already had a 38.20% rejection in price right here. So there could be a chance that price potentially could be reaching for these levels down here. But I'm also keeping in mind just overall what's happening right now. That price is in this London continuation setting up as of right now for price to potentially continue moving long. So there is part of me that does want to take this long in anticipation that price is going to start to push with this 8:30 news potentially. But also part of me wants to wait and see if price wants to potentially come a little bit lower. But if price ideally does come higher, I would ideally be targeting 13,600. That would be my ideal first target, and then 13,700. These would be my ideal targets personally. But I don't know if price. Let me go to a lower time frame. If price comes back down here and fills in majority of this fair value gap, part of me might take this long. I ain't gonna lie to you. We do have a double bottom down here that I kind of don't like on the lower time frame, so that's something I am going to be keeping in mind. And is there any order blocks within this? 15-minute maybe. We tapped into that 15-minute, 5-minute. Yeah, something like that. But how wide would this stop be? If I get in right here, stop loss below, that's about a 43-point stop, which isn't bad. It's not a bad stop. So where's my phone at? I gotta get ready for this. So I'm ideally gonna be risking about 45 pips. Get some MetaTrader 5. Where's my fucking... Oh, and there goes price. So as of right now, I'm actually long right now. So we're gonna see. Personally, I do think that price has a good chance of going higher. Where I get in? I got in right at this high. on these candles right in here. Stop loss is below this low. So we're going to see what happens. Like I said, I'm bullish, and I've been bullish based off of what I'm given with this New York session, with this London session low that is being created. I'm going to see if price can hold this area up. So we'll see how this plays out. This could be a potential 1 to 3 trade if it plays out. So we'll see. Only time will tell. I'm going to be patient. I'm not rushing anything. But I'm in the trade as of right now. We're going to see. The news just is starting to gain that momentum, and that's why price is slowly getting that volatility right now. All right, yeah, I'm in the trade right now. Hold on, let me put my stop loss in it just to make sure everything's all set. But as of right now, price is holding up, so we'll see what happens. If we can get a good trade today, that would be nice. Daily profit around 1916. What's this? Gold. Yeah, I can see it. But yeah, ideally, first target is going to be right above this high. That would be our first ideal target. And that would be potentially for about a 1-to-1, yeah. 1-to-1 almost. So once we get above this high, I'll be breaking even. But ideally, I won't be taking any partials until at least 13,600 in my opinion. That would be a good target for me. And the previous day's high also. But let's see what happens. We're going to see what's up. We're going to see what's up. What's going on, Martin? What's going on? Shit, I'm in a trade right now. I'm long on NAS 100 right now. We're gonna see what the market wants to do. We're gonna see what's up. I can't get no fucking music, man. YouTube's acting dumb. Dumb as hell. It could. No, I definitely could. No reason. I'm not saying it can't, but I'm just taking the chance of it not. Because I already rejected. We have the London low, cleared these lows. And we are having a retracement already going into 830. So it could, but if it pulls back all the way down there, then it is what it is. I'm not going to be trading at that point. Because what is the likelihood of prices flying? It could from all the way there, but I'm not looking to take a reversal. Stream still live? Yeah, it is. Let's see if my music can work now. Come on. Come on, work. Work. Oh my god. That shit trash. Come on, YouTube. I'm like, damn, it's too quiet. I hate not having nothing in my ear. I can't put any of my music because I'm gonna get fucking copyright. If it was up to me, I would have been. Listen to my music. So US 30 longs. Yeah, I can see it. I don't like US 30 just because it's having like this double bottom. And personally, it looks like it has a chance that it could potentially come even lower. NASA looks a little bit cleaner, but I don't like the way that this format like this. It still could hold though, and it is holding that momentum to the top side like NAS right now. Nah, this entry for NAS was nice. I was literally talking about how I wanted to come into this fair value gap, came into it in a matter of a second, and then boom. Now we'll see what's up. We gonna see what's up. Yeah, I think that's good view, but nah, I can't. I don't know. This is too quiet. I need something in my ears. I need something. I need something, bro. Like I can't. Damn, it's too quiet for me. I know what to do. I'm gonna put the music on my speaker from my phone on YouTube. It's still gonna be the non-copyright. Hopefully it doesn't sound shitted like through the microphones just on the speaker though. Yeah, sometimes. Let's put something in the background. Hopefully it's not too loud. Now this is like a love song. Hold on, fam. Damn, not now. Not now, because if I lose this trade, I'm not gonna have a fun day. It's not gonna be a fun time. I'll just be sad. Looks like a bullish price action, right? We got a higher, low, third retest. Are usually fast, right? Yeah, you could. Everyone's different though. Keep that in mind. That might work for him, but you might not even be able to take 3 trades without over trading. Yeah, yeah, risk rewards everything. Yeah, I just stick to what I'm good at. New kids, everyone's different. Like, he trades differently from me. Like he risks way more than I do, but he has way smaller stop losses. Also, he doesn't trade every day either, so it's just a little different. Yeah, bro, it's all about the process. Taking a trade is the hard part, not taking a trade. Learning how to, like, the concepts is the hard part. Then implementing it, that's the easier part in my opinion. But over time, there's always different obstacles you overcome. Like, you might be struggling right now with your strategy or whatever you're trying to do, but then in 6 months you might be good at that. Now you're focused on trying to fix something else. There's always going to be something you're trying to fix. That's what I've come to learn. Like, it's never going to be, oh, I made it. You're always improving on something. Like now, I don't even really, my trading is fine. I'm not going to say it always could be better, but the trading aspect, like what I'm looking for, I know what I look for on a daily basis. I know what pair I trade. I know what time I trade. I know what setup I'm looking for. I know how to enter my trades, and I know the risk reward I'm looking for. But it's more or less just discipline, patience, self control. That's what I'm working on right now. And then after that, I might just I might be focusing on, say, trying to learn how to scale in more, stuff like that. It's always gonna be something different. That's why I always just try to focus on one thing first. There we go. I'm gonna watch it like this. Let me just mark up US30 real quick. Why not? Do the same thing. Previously is low. Just previously high. Not this like previously high right here. Let's get 18. Let's get this Asia session range. Then we get the 12 a.m. open right here. Yeah, so it's a very similar situation to Nas. Is you already made like this double bottom when Nas is a clear higher high, higher low, and higher high. So the structure is better. I like this London low that we have. It gives me a good area to place my stop. So even if we do go on a drawdown, I know that if the price is this setup is gonna play out, then it still should play out regardless of where I entered at because I have my stop loss in a specific area. Let's get our 38.20% level. I think we had a 38.20% rejection over here also. No, we didn't even tap it over here. Yeah, it's at 900 currently. Where is that right now? I just right now Nas 100 is like consolidating. It's more than like a lot of orders getting put in because we also have 13,500 right above us, and I'm honestly we got to get above this price in my opinion. Because we're struggling to get above it right now, so there could be a chance that price could just continue this bearish trend. If it does that, well, it is what it is. Oh. Is it? This could be the high of the day up here too. The only thing is it's not a clear one. I like this one right here that we got. What time is that? 5. Yeah. Hope we might have a little retracement. I'm gonna give it at least until this down candle here. The only thing is the price tapped into it already 2 times. So if it comes into it for a third, the likelihood of it holding still might not be as high. But we'll see. We have that 8:30 news right now, so that could be what pushes us into profit or what keeps us below 13,500. We'll see what happens. Best case scenario is it pushes us up. I need some space to go to, and I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I go. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, S&P's looking like it's trying to get bullish too. Same situations, nice. Nah, it's like you just said, he didn't tap into it. Nah, slowly but surely. Let's see. It looks like so far this 8:30 news is being pretty bullish. Let me see. Let me go to my effects book, see what the news came out to be. And today, supposedly good news. So we'll see. We will see. Everything's just consolidating right now. One thing I'm gonna do, I want to see where I looked at it yesterday. Majority of the orders are down here in this 13,300 area. That's one of the main the reason why I thought price was gonna come down. But from what happened during London session, still hold. Yeah, there's some volume in here. Let's hold at this small level. What's this? 13,460. Yeah, we gonna see, man. Do the same thing with this high and low. Where's the majority of the volume at? In this area down here. So it's the same thing essentially. We'll see what happens. We just got to get above 13,500. That's my main thing right now. Until we get above 13,500, this trade's more than likely gonna try to keep going bearish. Everything's looking pretty bullish. We just gotta give it time. I'll mark up S&P too while I wait. Yeah, I just want to see price get above this opening price on these pairs like US 30, S&P, Nas. They all haven't been above this 12 a.m. open. As soon as price open, everything is starting to drop. But based off these higher time frames, I'm still bullish based off of what we did. Cleared the previous week's low. Tapped into the fib, tapped into the order block before pushing higher. I would ideally want to see price continue to push higher now. That's best case scenario for me. But we will see. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Yeah, right now price is like consolidating on 33,900 on US 30. Wait, I'm just gonna sit back, just chill. Yep, there we go, back into that fair value gap. I'll give it to, what was that? Where's my mouse? I'll give it to 13,650. If we don't start holding 650, then the likelihood of continuing to go higher is pretty unlikely at that point. Yeah, we got that, but by the time it's just 8:30. We still got an hour until the open though, so we'll see. As long as price doesn't stop us out by then, there's still a chance that price will push higher with that volume. It's just consolidating right now, so I'll give it time. It's consolidating just within this 13,500, and where's 13,400? And 13,400 is pretty significantly down. This is a wide range. From 450 to here is the range that we're currently in. I don't know. We'll see. There's a chance that it might just come for these lows I was talking about earlier. These equal lows. Yeah, it looks like US 30 might be coming for these lows now. So that kind of paints a different picture for me now for Nas 100. Let's see what happens. If I get stopped out, I did it here. I'm not taking another trade after this. Yeah, and there goes that bearish momentum kicking in. Damn. So much for that good news at 8:30. That positive news ain't do shit. Yeah, but look where we are. The stop loss, so only 20 points away. If we could stay 20 points away for an hour, I'll be surprised. And I ain't taking another trade after this because if I get stopped out, then the London continuation is no longer valid. So I'm done after that. And this is already pushing lower, so the likelihood of that playing out is less likely too. So yeah, it's looking like more going against the trade idea than for it. We'll see. Price is tapping in this 38.20%, so it could start to react. Never know. We'll just see how price reacts after clearing this low. Yeah, there goes Nash slowly trying to reject, staying above this high. Down here would have been a good entry area, because this is where the bulk of that volume was. Yeah, right here. We'll see how it reacts, though. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Everything's just been dropping. Yeah, the majority of the volume's up here for US30. So it looks like it might continue to drop lower, potentially down to 33,700 area. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, we're rejecting this. It looks like we're trying to hold it, so I'll give it that. The bullish momentum looks like it's trying to hold. It's not trying to come and clear this London low. And US30, it looks like it's like struggling to get away from its 38.20% level, so hopefully we can get a reaction to the top side for it that could then try to push NAS with it. S&P, yeah, it's looking like US30 might come and clear this low and come into this 38.20% level. I just don't like how these are turning into potential reversal trades and not continuations no more. That's significantly far away though. Yeah, it could. Just based off higher time frames, I don't think it will. More likely to just come down here, consolidate. Yeah, the 15-minute just closed over here. Bearish is not a good sign. Oh, come on, Nash. Got about 50 more minutes until this open. Looks like we're gonna engulfing one good thing out of the 5 negative. Go into this 1 minute time frame real quick. Look to the left. fair value gaps in here. Doesn't look like it. Looks like they all got filled. Or at least any that are any significance. Yeah, they all look like they got filled. Yeah. Up there it goes. That's the push I'm looking for. I need it to just fly another 300 points. 300 points or so. Or only 130. God damn. These ranges are small right now. Come on, engulf. Engulf. I added another position down here. Same stop loss. Right here. If this plays out, it could potentially be a 1 to 5. If that fully plays out. But 13,600, 13,700, that's all I'm really looking to target right now with that previous day's high. Even before then, if you took a re-entry or if anyone's not taking a trade and getting in here, you could still potentially get out this trade just at this high right here for 1 to 2.6. You'll be able to get out this move before it really takes off or either comes up and then drops. So this just all depends what you would rather do. Personally, I'm gonna see what we can get at this first target. Let's see what happens afterwards. But ideally, 13,600, 700 is where I'm looking to take price to. Damn, come on, Nas, you fucking with me. Make up your mind, fam. Make up your mind. Yeah, your 30 still trying to hold this level without get that failing to come any lower than this 38.20% level. Shit is beyond me. Shit is beyond me. Mm, let's see. Let's go. Let's see if there's any news. What's news going on? Where can I see some news? Let's see. Let's go to Bloomsburg. Russian wars on nuclear war risk as Ukraine talks go on. U.S. index futures slip before big tech earnings. Interesting. Oh, it's coming back down. Oh, damn. That engulfing meant nothing. Uh, 5 things you need to know. Yeah, S&P just like cleared these lows and it's trying to reverse. Didn't tap into this 38.20% level. Everything looks like it wants to go higher. Nah, that's why you being so difficult. Just fly. I just need 70 points. That's all I need. Once I'm at 70 points, I can be out this trade. My stop loss is only about 26 with this other position. U.S. durable goods orders underscore relative investment. How millions of China's cash flooded to Congo's power? Oh, there we go. What time is it? It's about 8:50. No news or anything. It's just the market moving. It's just the market moving down. Come on, the second position to 1-to-1. No kissing. Yeah, everything's looking pretty bullish now. Just have to give it time. The farther we can get away from this stop loss and this low, the better. Yeah, your city's looking good again. So that's why just having a good stop loss is the most important thing. If you have a stop loss in somewhere of importance, then you should always be good, in my opinion. Posted this morning. Oh, did anything change? It's the same chart. Come on, Nash. I need you to fly, my boy. Fly. Bro, I'm about to say fuck copyright. I'm about to just start blasting shit. That's how I'm feeling right now. I need some energy. YouTube be true. I just have like ambient music in the background. Mhm. That's usually what I have on in the background of my shit, just ambient music. But I don't know, when it's like trees, sometimes I need the energy. I don't know, maybe go. It's ugly outside. Never mind. Shit closed. Right inside. 800? You said 800? That stop? You said stop. I'm like, what the fuck? Stop. Stop. God damn. Bro, that's that's crazy drawdown. That's crazy drawdown. You was sitting on with one of these. Okay, this is you right here. Talking about something. 800 stop. Just like this. That's what you doing. It's a great trade right there. Great trade. Let's see, man. Hopefully prices doesn't start to retrace on me. Just trying to get to a point where I can just break even. Just gotta give it time. If this 15-minute can, oh, it's not gonna turn into a engulfing. We only got 2 minutes. Damn. Give it a 30-minute candle. 30 minutes rejecting now. So that's a good sign. We might get a 30-minute engulfing potentially. Yeah, because 15-minute doesn't look like we're gonna get it. We might get another retracement right here. Honestly, but this candle looks like it's trying to close. The setup, the London continuation setup, it just happened to make that low at 30.20%. I ain't getting just because it hit it, but it happened to make that low of the day at that area during London session. And it, yeah, 15. I'm on the 5 minute right now, but I entered it all based off the 15 minute. I'm just watching it on the 5 minute because I'm watching it with US 30, just watching like the 5 minute moves because every 15 minutes, them candles don't really move too much. The 5 minute at least shows you majority of what's happening. Bye, bud. Come on, buddy. Something like that. Just keep on pushing, my boy. Almost at TP1. Come on, brother. You real as fuck going live every day? Of course. Of course. Alright, this music is a little bit too loud now, fam. Is it too loud for you? Alright, guys. Here, I'll put it down a little bit. Damn, it just pushed. It's a retrace. That's just crazy. I still gotta get above 13,500. Jesus. Jesus, man. And just like that, we got an engulfer. God damn it. These retracements be so annoying. What time is it? 9. Alright, still got 30 minutes. Even US 30 slowly consolidating after having this retracement. Mm. Yeah. At least the 15-minute close almost not that bad, I ain't gonna lie. But the 30-minute close too, so keep in mind we are gonna have a pullback more than likely because of this candle open. So I'm cool with it coming down right now. I'm just focused on the big picture, where it's trying to go long term. Niggas did what we did, what we did. Turn the rest of us. Or if we come and clear these lows, then these lows that are right here, then the likelihood of this trade playing out is going to be pretty unlikely at that point because now US 30 is coming back for these lows now too. Not the best case scenario right now. Damn, just like that, finessed. Went from almost engulfing to engulfing the opposite direction. It's a tough iron, very tough. Let's just check my emails. Why not? We did what we did, what we did. The rest of us. We're rejecting soon. Yeah, this is a lot of momentum right now, a lot of volume in the market. Yeah, bro. It's all about managing risk at the end of the day. Man, I don't like the way this 15-minute candle is forming. Everything's looking like it's trying to keep going lower right now. A lot of people are probably going in short at 13,500. That's really what it is. It's just pushing the market lower, lower, just creating more orders, keep pushing it lower and lower. That wouldn't be ideal based off higher time frames. I'm not trying to see this whole candle close somewhere down here. Wouldn't make sense for me personally after having this reaction. Yeah, never know though. Never know. As long as we can stay above this order block and stay above these lows, the setup can still play out. But every time it comes lower, it's just less of a chance that it's gonna do what I want it to. US 30 does not look as clean. Like, just realize how US 30 is clearing lows, creating double bottoms, while NAS at least is holding structure for the most part. Like here, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, lower low, lower low, equal low. It just clears liquidity. At least NAS like is way more nicer. Twitter, yeah. Elon bought Twitter. What's Twitter in? Ain't that in NAS? Ain't Twitter part of Nasdaq? Twitter is part of. Mm, Twitter is part of the New York Stock Exchange. But what is it in NAS? What's in NASDAQ? Where's T? Tesla. Twitter doesn't look like it's part of NASDAQ. Alright, never mind. Twitter's probably in its own thing. Do what we did. Yeah. Shit. Till it flies. I could care less. Yeah, anything could happen. I'm just ready for whatever. But right now, US30 looks like it's trying to come lower, so it could just be a matter of time just for Nas. Same thing with S&P. So might look clean now, but if it's just delayed and ends up following these other indexes, it's more than likely gonna continue just to get stopped out. US30's trying to hold, but I don't like how I was making all them double bottoms, man. Consolidating. It looks like it wants to go higher, but we'll see what happens.
Somebody getting swept. Matter of fact, that's not good enough. You gotta get push broom to clean up. Oh, you need the big guy. Yeah, to clean up this.
Yep, there it goes. Yeah, part of me just wants to cut the trade short. It doesn't look like it's trying to hold. Could hold, what's this, 450? It's not even any big figure levels either, though. Yeah, now it's just falling too. WSP. Just looks like everything's trying to go bearish. That's what it really comes down to. That 15 we couldn't engulf. Didn't hold below. Hold above this order block. Yeah, everything's just pushing now. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Part of me just wants to cut it short. But I know if I cut it short and it goes and it just starts flying, it'll be sick. I don't think it's gonna just start flying, but shit, with my luck, it will. And S&P is just now tapping in this 38.20%. Still got about 20 minutes until the open. And I don't think we're gonna be able to stay in this trade until then. Alright, but if it does, be good. Doubt it though. Yeah, 30 minute that 30-minute rejection quickly just went nothing. Just came down to fill that wick. Hourly. Yeah, hour looks like it's yeah. It's only the first 20 minutes this hour candle to watch. It's gonna end up pushing later. It didn't even make an up wick, but I feel like it's just gonna clear these lows before it does that. Come on, man. Just stop me out and go the other way, bro. Yeah. I don't know. I might just cut it short. Can't even get to 1-to-1, man. It's crazy. I'd say 13,000 long term. Not right now, though. Not today, for sure. Yeah, could potentially. Yeah, and this 5 minute is closed. Yeah. Unless we get a crazy ass engulfing off of this level, this is not gonna hold up. I'm just waiting to get stopped out. Even if it wants to go bullish, I'm almost certain that by the time the open happens, the volatility is gonna stop me out. Even if it wants to go higher. Yeah, US 30's trying to push. Come on, guys. Wawa makes pizza. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, they taste good. I like pizza overall. I'll bet. Nah, that would be thorough. Yeah. Nah, I probably gonna get them all sick. Yeah. Nah, I feel you, because it feels. If you want, I could have got all of them sick. Never know. Damn. Nah, that's crazy. 12 is wild. Price is failing so hard, stop me out just to watch. In 10 minutes with that volume kicks in, just gonna stop me out. Watch it reverse. Can see it now. Mm-mm-mm. Come on, now let's just fly. Might as well at this point. Damn. Oh, there it goes. No, I'm done after this. What if it reaches that Asian session? Still gonna take it. Yeah. It was only a matter of time. Coming for that low. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. -1. -2. Come on, fam. Just stop me out already. I'm tired of looking at this damn chart. Oh, guess not. We're not getting stopped out yet. Well, if you're gonna keep doing this, at least just fucking fly. There we go. Come on. Just stop me out, bruh. Come on. Market's on some bullshit. Just sideways. Yeah, US 30's dropping. S&P's dropping. Nas is still failing to drop any lower. It's only a matter of time before it drops. Yeah, let me take a screenshot of this trade for the. I remember. I already know it's gonna be a L more than likely. So I'm just documenting now. Flip long. Below order block. Was it a big freaking rejection? No. Order block. 50% rejection. And still failing to stop me out, Jesus. False break. Yeah, a small one. I don't know when I entered. The failure to stop me out is immaculable. Like, watch. As soon as it stops me out, it might have this false break at this low and go the other way. I'm gonna be very, very disappointed. Like a whole daily range. Yeah, it happens a lot on indexes, but that's not really unusual though. I don't know off the top of my head, honestly. Yeah, bro, it's possible. It's definitely happened before. And still didn't stop me out. I don't know how. I was literally like tapping my stop loss and just retracing every time. Don't understand. Like, bro, if you gonna stop me out, stop me out. It's like making a double bottom. It's just annoying. Clear liquidity. Uh, uh, I already journaled the trade as a L. I'm figuring this isn't really gonna play out. It's too likely to stop me out than to go to my TP. Everything's just bearish. I'm not gonna try to. It really could just fly, but it literally tapped my stop loss, so it could go higher. But I'm very close to my stop loss, and it's significantly closer. So when that volume kicks in, it might just be a little bit of a wick to the downside that could just stop me out with spread. So, hey, but if this turns into a 5 minute engulfing and just starts flying, very well could play out. Probability wise, don't think so. Can you go over how you journal your trades? I have a video on it. And if you watch some of my other lives, I actually go over it. I'm not going to do it right now because I already did it, but I have a video on the exact way that I journal my trades. And if you watch my last video or the last video that I had a winning trade on, my last live video, I'm pretty sure I went over. I like showed the live how I journal my trades. Just got to go back and look for the video. Ugh. It should be in a Telegram. If you just go to a Telegram, I'll send the link in there. He might be. I'm not sure. It should be pinned, and there goes. Rip. Jesus, took it long enough. I'm gonna stay for like 5 minutes just to see what it does, but I'm not taking another trade. Rip. Did it hold the order block? Did it hold the fib? Slowly but surely, everything just went downhill. Didn't hold 450. Had a reaction there, but not enough. And look at that. Wow. What I say? Yep, exactly what I thought. Ain't that some shit? Yeah. Can't say I ain't expecting. Yeah. Exactly what I. Where is it at? Where's the fucking arrow, man? Hold on. Look at this shit. Look at the arrow, man. Ah. Very annoying. What's US30 doing? Yeah, everything looks like it's still trying to fall. S&P's trying to hold this 38.20% level. Up there it goes again. The open's in about 2 minutes. Yeah, it looks like it's probably gonna fly. If anyone wants to take potential false break New York reversal, right now will be your time. Oh yeah, it's gone. Yeah, rest in pieces. Rest in peace. That's just falling. Probably gonna go down to 13,300. That's what I think personally. Yeah, everything's just bearish. Just slowly falling off. Yeah, maybe. Oh, there goes rejecting again. Jesus, bro. Just doing everything that I said it more than likely probably would once it stopped me out. It's just crazy. That's the only one trying to like push right now though. S&P slowly. US30, I'm not even gonna look at US30 no more. US30 is just slowly rolling over. Oh. Nah, it's bearish for sure. It's gonna just get a lot of reaction in these areas because there's a lot of just wicks and a lot of just shoppiness in here. It's probably just gonna consolidate more once it gets in there. Yeah, I'm done here. I'm not taking other trades. Clear all this shit. Yeah, I always have my stop loss in the same places. No matter. It just depends the setup I'm taking. Right now, US30 is looking like it's trying to push. What the fuck? This is just going interesting. That's all I gotta say. Oh. Yeah, S&P and Nas are bearish, and now US30 bullish. Everything's just reversing, just flipping parts right now. Because right now US30 is not even having this retracement into that level, so it's probably still gonna keep dropping. Nas, yeah, it's a done. But that's all I got today. Took my L. It is what it is. I'm done here. But hopefully everyone enjoyed it, even though we did take the L. It is what it is. Can't win them all. It's just about having a system, following the system, and following the rules. That's really what it comes down to. But I appreciate everyone for being here. If you did stay, appreciate you for being here, taking the time to watch it, taking the time out of your day. And that's really it. So, journal my trade. No more trades today. It is what it is. Took my L. One and done. I'll be back tomorrow. So, that's it. So, appreciate you being here, Martin. And that's really it. Yes, sir. But all right, everyone be safe. Have a good day. Stay productive. And I'll see you